What's up, everybody? It's Chingbuilt's favorite customer, Tailgate Taxi, and today we're getting ready to go to the Irwindale 8th Mile event. All right, this is part 2 of Chingbuilt's favorite customer, Tailgate Taxi. We just passed inspections and we're about to hit on the track. This is my good friend Nathan, and let's see what we run. First run of the day. All right, guys, so today we just got done. Fastest pass of the day was a 7202 at 97 miles an hour. We also ran 747 at 98.68 miles per hour, a 7.3 at 98 miles an hour, and a 744 at 97 miles an hour. So overall, pretty good day. I think last time I was here, I was on JB4. I said I ran a 7.5. I don't believe that. I think it was, off, but improvement today. Definitely need to get the launch dialed, more power, all that stuff. All right, huge shout out to Chingbuilt, best BMW builder ever. Shout out to Bmdperformance, his shop out in Phoenix, Arizona. Thank you guys so much. Pure 850, charge pipe, downpipe, custom tuned, Visconti. Shout out to all you guys. Thank you.
Fuck Irwindale security, dog. I swear to God.